What's going on? Today I'm going to show you guys how to download the Google Play Store on iOS, guys. So as you can see, I got it right here. So I'm going to show you guys how to download it. So if you guys do not know, the Google Play Store is only on Android devices, but today I'm going to show you guys how to download it on your iPhone. So let's get straight into the guide. So the first thing we're going to do is go ahead and go over to this website. It's called zoomods.com. It has a bunch of modded apps. So once you're on the site, guys, just go over to the search bar and type in Play Store. And as you can see, it says Google Play Store mods. So we're going to go ahead and press on that. It's going to start to download. So it's literally that easy, guys. So basically, guys, the Play Store is so cool because there's so many apps on the Play Store that are not in the App Store. I've been looking and comparing, and I've noticed a lot of apps that are only on Android. So anyway, guys, before it downloads, you are going to have to do a verification. This is very easy. You just have to download 2 apps, complete the instructions. They're 100% free, and they're from the official App Store. So I'm going to walk you guys through the process and show you exactly how to do it. So as you can see, it says Google Play Store Mod Installer. Please install 2 free apps to automatically install the Play Store. Now, there's going to be a big list of apps on here. So we got Family Island, download complete level 10. WGT Golf, you got to reach level 10. TikTok, run for 30 seconds. So it doesn't really matter, guys, but make sure you do them. So Family Island, I'm going to press tap to install, and it takes me to the App Store, and then I just have to download the app and run it. So I want to say, though, make sure you read the instructions. This is where people go wrong, bro. They don't actually do them. So TikTok, it says download, run for 30 seconds. Family Island, download, reach level 10. You know, you got to actually do whatever it says. Like, I have Family Island right here. I had to reach level 10. Like, it's so easy, guys. So be sure to try it out. I'm going to see you guys in another video. And peace out, bro. This is craziness.